purpose of today's video is to show you how you can leverage JumpCloud's Cloud Directory platform to implement Radius on the networks you manage. First, let's take a look at what Radius means from a 10,000-foot view. Radius is an acronym that stands for Remote Authentication Dial-In User Service. What Radius does in practice is it replaces the concept of a pre-shared key, or the password, that we have come to expect with a Wi-Fi network, with authentication instead going against a directory. When a user selects a network to connect to, they are asked to enter a username and password that is tied to the account assigned to them from whatever directory their IT admins are using. This has grown in popularity lately due to the limitations and pain points experienced when using other common standards like WPA for network authentication. In general, Radius provides an improved user experience where an end user can log in and access corporate resources with the same credentials on Wi-Fi or on a VPN connection, while also providing an increased network security. With Radius implemented, admins can disable a user's directory account and revoke network access without impacting any other users. JumpCloud's Cloud Radius product allows you to use the JumpCloud directory as the source for your Radius needs. With it being baked into JumpCloud, management is simple and intuitive, ready to be set up to work with your network within only a few steps. The multi-tenant portal also allows MSPs to implement and manage their Radius deployments across their client base without the need to jump between several servers or directories. Now, let's see how it is to get started with Cloud Radius in JumpCloud. First, you'll need to log in to the JumpCloud admin console. Here I am logged in as an MSP admin. I'll go to my organizations and I can go to this company and click Launch. Once I'm inside their admin console, I'll be able to set up Radius for my customer here. So I'll click Radius, and now I can add a new network to configure Radius with this. I'll just name my network, enter the public IP address for my enterprise network, and I can generate the pre-shared key to configure Radius on my network controllers. Next, under authentication, I can designate what I would like to use to authenticate. So I can either set up JumpCloud as the identity provider, or if I looked to use delegated authentication against something like Azure AD, I could even set that up here. You can set up passwordless access to allow a locally installed certificate to provide authentication, or I can just use a standard password authentication, letting users use their username and password based upon their JumpCloud account to get into their network. MFA can also be configured to allow both MFA for Wi-Fi connectivity and also VPN connections. Once this is configured, I can just aim this at the user groups I choose to authenticate with this, and I can instantly have Radius implemented on my network using JumpCloud as the platform to do so. Thank you for coming today. To learn more about JumpCloud and Cloud Radius, go to jumpcloud.com and try it for free.